The Chitrik Academy is dedicated in loving memory of Rabbi Tzvi Hirsh Chitrik.
Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to continue in our quest to try to discover what is the opinion of Rabbi Shimon ben Elazar. Let us begin. We are going to learn from the third line where it says Tashma until the two dots over here with Kankana. Let us begin. Tashma, come and listen. Damar Rav Asi has taught that Matzah Chavis Yayin Be'ir Shadruba Knanin, if a person found a chavis, a barrel or a jug of wine in a city where the majority of people are Knanim, are non-Jews, the halacha will be Muteres Mishum Metzia. It's permitted because as a found item, meaning the person who finds it may keep it. However, Vasura Bahana, but it's forbidden to have any benefit from it. And the reason for this is because it's a city where majority are non-Jewish people, so we say that the finder may keep it. However, we're assuming that it belongs to a non-Jew, and a wine of a non-Jew is not permitted a Jew is not permitted to have any benefit from it. What if, however, Ba Yisrael, a Jew came along, v'nasam basimin, and he gave a sign proving that the drug belongs to him? So then the halacha will be muteres b'shsia l'moitza. The finder may now drink it, meaning the finder will still be able to keep the item that he found because it was in a sharuba knanim, a public area where majority are non-Jewish people. We can assume that the owner gave up on finding it. Therefore, the finder may keep it even after the owner comes and gives a siman, because the owner has given up. He was miyayish. He has given up on finding his jug. However, because we know that it belonged to a Jew, he is now allowed muteres b'shsia. He is allowed to drink it. Now the Gemara is going to explain its proof as to what Rav Shimon ben Elazar holds. Let's write a P for proof. Kiman, who is the one who says that we go after the majority of people in the area that it was lost? Rav Shimon ben Elazar. This was Rav Shimon ben Elazar. So seemingly Rav Asi holds like Rav Shimon ben Elazar. So we can learn from here the opinion of Rav Shimon ben Elazar. So Shmami, no, we can learn from here that Ki Amar Rav Shimon ben Elazar. When did Rav Shimon ben Elazar say that the finder may keep the item? B'roiv Knanim. Only, like in this case of Rav Asi, the majority of people in the city are Knanim, are non-Jews. Aval, however, B'roiv Yisrael, lai. We could prove from here that only if it's majority of non-Jewish people, the finder may keep the item, but not if the majority are Jewish people. Now let's see that on our board. That we're trying to prove from here that if it's Roiv Knanim, that's when Rav Shimon ben Elazar will say that the finder may keep the item, because the owner has given up on finding it. However, if it's Roiv Yisrael, the majority are Jewish people, we're trying to prove from here that Rav Shimon ben Elazar will say that the finder may not keep the item. This is the proof that the Gemara tries to bring. Now the Gemara is going to try to reject this proof. Let's make R over here for rejection. The Gemara says, no. Maybe we could say that Reb Shimon ben Elazar will say that afilu b'Rav Yisrael nami k'amar, that even Rav Yisrael will also say that the finder may keep the item that was lost because the owner gives up on finding it. But it seems like Reb Asi holds like Reb Shimon ben Elazar. So how can we say that if Reb Asi says it's only Bir Sharuba Knanim does he make this statement? So we can say, V'Rav Asi savar la kavasei b'chada. Rav Asi holds like kavasei, like him, like Rav Shimon ben Elazar, b'chada in one case, in one scenario. Upalig aleh b'chada. And he argues with Rav Shimon ben Elazar in one case. What the Gemara is saying, that this is what Reb Asi had said. Reb Asi had said, Rav Knanim, the finder may keep it. And we said, it seems like this is what Rav Shimon ben Elazar holds. But the Gemara is going to say that no. The Gemara is saying that no, it could be that only Reb Asi holds like this. That Rav Kananim, the fine may keep it Rav Yisrael or not. However, it's possible that Reb Shimon ben Elazar, or make a Rosh Tevis, Reb Shimon ben Elazar holds that in both of these cases the finder will be able to keep it. But the Gemara says, seemingly, it seems like Reb Asi holds of the opinion of Shimon ben Elazar. He holds the same svara, the same reasoning about it being in a public area. So we say that the Gemara explains that it's possible that Reb Asi agrees with Reb Shimon ben Elazar on one case, by Rav Kananim. However, he disagrees with Reb Shimon ben Elazar in this case of Rav Yisrael. So, Paligala B'chada, he argues with Reb Shimon ben Elazar in one case, and Sarala Kavasei, he holds like Reb Shimon ben Elazar in another case. And this is how the Gemara rejects the proof from this Gemara of Rabasi. The Gemara is now going to ask a technical question. Rabbi Asi had said that if a finder finds a jug of wine in an ear Sheruba Knanim, he can keep it, but he can't have any benefits from it. So the Gemara's question is going to be, if he cannot have any benefits from the jug, what's the point of keeping it? That's going to be the question. We're holding V'chi. The line starts B'chada. V'chi ma'achar dasir ba'ana, since it is usher to have any benefit from it, muteres meshumatzia l'may hilchasa. What is it coming to teach us that muteres meshumatzia l'may hilchasa? What halacha is coming to teach us? What benefit can a person have from just the from the wine if he cannot drink it? The Gemara answers, Amar Rav Ashi lekankana. The container can be used. True that the person, in this case, where a person may keep the jug of wine that he found, if he can't drink the wine, what use is it for? So Rabbi Ashi says it can be used. The container can be used. The Jewish person may pour out the wine and use the container for whatever he needs. And this is the end of this lesson.